India still needs more NRI's money to bridge the country's current account deficit. NRI investments create employment opportunities, driving economic growth and reducing the unemployment rate. NRI remittances have grown from $17.9 billion in Q4 of FY19 to $30.8 billion in Q3 of FY23, maintaining an average of $22 billion over the past 4 years. Have you ever thought about why India is obsessed with non-resident Indians so much? Well, it's not just because they are Indians or of Indian origin. India still needs more NRI's money to bridge the country's current account deficit. Hi everyone and welcome to Wealthy's YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss a crucial aspect of India's economy, the role of non-resident Indians (NRIs) in bridging the country's current account deficit. Well, to understand India's current account deficit, we first need to know what a CAD is. Well, a current account deficit is the difference between the value of goods and services exported from a country and the value of goods and services imported by the same country. It usually occurs when a country imports more goods and services than it exports, and this is what is happening currently with India. India's current account deficit has been widening in recent years, accounting for 0.2% of the country's GDP. This means that India is importing more goods and services than it is exporting, and this is putting a strain on country's foreign exchange reserves. One of the main sources of foreign exchange reserve for India is the money coming from the NRIs. In FY23, NRI remittances topped $100 billion, which is the second largest source of foreign exchange after software exports. The significance of NRI remittances goes beyond mere numbers. They served as lifelines for many families in India. Beyond supporting their loved ones, NRIs also contribute to various sectors by investing in property, stocks, mutual funds and businesses. And these investments have a positive impact on India's current account deficit in multiple ways. Firstly, these investments bring in foreign currency, which strengthens the country's foreign exchange reserve. This in turn helps stabilize the rupee and reduces the risk of currency depreciation. Secondly, NRI's investment creates employment opportunities, driving economic growth and reducing the unemployment rate. When NRIs invest in sectors like manufacturing and services, they contribute to job creation, which boosts the income level of the local population. NRI remittances have grown from $17.9 billion in Q4 of FY19 to $30.8 billion in Q3 of FY23, maintaining an average of $22 billion over the past 4 years. However, after surging to about $31 billion in Q3 of FY23, the trend of increasing quarterly remittances from the NRIs appears to have reached a ceiling. This is likely due to a number of factors, including the rising cost of living in developed countries, the slowdown in the global economy, and the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition, India's IT services exports, which are the top source of foreign exchange, have also peaked. Now, there is a downturn in the IT service industry caused by clients of firms like TCS, Infosys, Wipro and HCL Tech tightening their budgets. If the IT services sector slows further and if NRI's remittances do not pick up, India will need to find other ways to bridge its current account deficit. And this could include attracting more foreign direct investments, that is FDIs, increasing exports or reducing imports. However, FDI inflows have been declining in recent years and exporting are facing headwinds from the global economic slowdown. As a result, India may continue to rely more on NRI remittances to bridge its CAD in the coming years. India's current account deficit remains a challenge, but NRI remittances present a promising solution. By channeling the financial resources and expertise of NRIs, India can bridge the gap, strengthen its economy and achieve sustainable growth. It's crucial for the government, policymakers and NRIs themselves to collaborate and seize this opportunity to create a brighter future for India. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And for more such insightful content, do wait for our next video.